I have a couple ones here. He hold like this, I hold his elbow for he no run. Sneak inside, come in 2 fingers, strap his wrist. My knuckles point to the roof, not like this. My knuckles point over there now. Then when I come with his fingers, I grab it like this. I don't hold the wrist like this. I cannot touch my fingers, you see? But like this, I touch my finger, almost touch her. But this make a longer reach. Then I hold like this, grip is stronger. If this one with knuckles up, I idle here, he trap his elbow, his hand. Put your hands off. Hard. Come on, dude. Come on. No way you take this hand off. Pull again. Foot in the hips. Turn the side, the knee come under. Try open my legs. Come on, dude. Newspaper read. Newspaper read. Broke.